Hello students, welcome to next video of class 10 mathematics, video number 6. Today, firstly we take two questions at the same time. Approximately the given part is same, but the solution to way for solving or proving the question is different, because only one thing are different. Approx same but not same. So first we take first question number 12 in front of you. Side AB, BC and median AD of triangle ABC are respectively proportional to side PQ and QR, and the median PM of triangle PQR, so that triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. ABC, PQR are two triangles, and what's the given? In between those two triangles, AB, BC and the median AD. Median means divide the base into two equal half. So is proportional to side of second triangle PQ, QR and median PM. Here only for showing we have to write the median PM, otherwise we have directly write down PM. We want to prove that triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. If you see these ratio and these ratio equal given, means if two ratio given sides and we only find the angle between them, that is B and Q, so we say that triangles are similar by SAS similarity. So how we prove that these angles are equal? So before this we take triangle ABD and triangle PQM. Why? Because if we write the given part, and compare this, AB in this triangle, PQ in this triangle, BC not in this triangle, okay, we can write 2BD. Same for QR, 2QR. What is given that BC is equal to twice of BD and the QR is equal to twice of QM, given, and the AD and PM are the parts of these two triangles. 2 cancelled, mean between these two triangles all corresponding side ratio equal. So triangle ABD similar triangle PQM by side similarity. When these similar, so angle B is equal to angle Q CPST, corresponding part of similar triangle. So ABCPQR, this ratio given, this ratio given, and B is equal to Q, already proved them. So side angle side triangle similar. Take triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Only write down all the steps. AB upon PQ, BC upon QR. Given. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Proved above. So triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR by SAS similarity. This is a very good question of NCERT, and these steps have two same question. So I hope you explain this, you understand this, then explain the next question. Pause window down. See this question. AB, AC and median AD means AB, AC. So here PR means figure is same, only given part is say change AC, and all the things are the same for this. Two sides ratio given and one medians given ratio means are proportional. So prove that triangles are similar. Only the difference, in previous question these two sides given, here these two sides given. So concept same. We want to prove they're similar. ABC, PQR, these side, these similar, corresponding ratio, these corresponding ratio. If you prove that these equal, so side angle side means here you want to prove that angle A is equal to angle P. So we get side angle side, side angle side. So we have to see angle A divided into two part and P also in two part, but not equal, because median is only the divide the base into two equal half, not angle. So for this we have to make a construction here. AD equal D E and join BE. Same, PM equal MS and join QS in same straight line. This equal. This equal. Why? So we equal them 1 and 3 equal. Same, if we join here CE and RS, so we equal them 2 and 4 equal. When 1 equal to 3, 2 equal to 4, so 1 plus 2 equal to 3 plus 4, so angle A is equal to angle P. So side angle side. So firstly what we try to equal 1 equal to 3. So for 1 equal to 3, we take these two whole triangle before in triangle ADC and triangle BDE. We prove congruent. How? AD equal to DE by construction. PD equal to DC given. Angle five equal to 6. this side here, angle 5 equal to angle 6, vertically opposite angle. So triangle ADC congruent triangle BDE. Why we prove that congruent? We get AC equal to BE. And the same concept used here. Similarly, in triangle PMR, congruent triangle QMS, PR equal to AC. AC equal to BE by CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle. Means when these two triangles are congruent, so AC is equal to BE, and these two congruent, so PR is equal to QS. Then we take whole triangle ABE and triangle PQS, and these two are similar. How? AB upon PQ given, AC upon PR, and AD upon PM. These are the given part. If AB upon PQ same, note down. So AC upon PR, we replace them by BE upon QS. From this and this, because AC equal to BE and PR equal to QS, and AD upon PM we multiply by 2 to both. So twice of AD we make AE, and twice of PM we make PS. Side, side, side. Triangle ABE, similar triangle PQS by SSS similarity. ABE similar triangle PQS, and then this is similar. So angle 1 is equal to angle 3 by CPST. Similarly, angle 2 is equal to angle 4. When two steps solved by the same process, so one step we have to 10, and second step you directly write 2 equal to 4 similarly. So same we have to done here. 1 equal to 3 CPST, 2 equal to 4 CPST. So add them. 1 plus 2 equal to 3 plus 4, and 1 plus 2 make angle A, and 3 plus 4 angle P. Then we take in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB upon PQ and AC upon PR, given, and angle A is equal to angle P, also proved above. So triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR by side angle side similarity. I hope so you understand the difference between these two questions, that the meaning of the question same, approach the given part is same, but the difference between the understanding and the solving of the question process. Pause and note down.